Hello everyone. This is a video about how AI responds to our question. Have you ever wondered what happens when you ask an AI a question? For example, when we type what is machine learning, we see an answer appears within just a few seconds. But what actually happens behind the screen? Today, we use AI in many parts of our daily lives. We use it to help with our homework, complete projects, write code, generate content, automate tasks, and even make everyday decisions. But while we use AI so often, how many of us actually know what happens behind the screen? Understanding how AI works is becoming increasingly important. So in this video, explore a simple question, what is machine learning, and discover how AI takes our question, processes it, and finally gives us an answer. Let's see what happens behind the scene. Question now begins its journey. As we press enter, the question travels through the internet, passing through different networks and data. The question reaches the internet, then AI brain and cloud. It finally reaches the cloud server where the AI model is running. Now our question has reached the AI brain, but there is a problem. The AI doesn't understand our sentence in exactly the same way humans do. So the first step is to process the question. The AI breaks the sentence into small pieces called tokens. For example, what is machine learning becomes what is machine learning. This process is called tokenization. Next, these tokens are converted into mathematical representation called embeddings. In simple words, the AI represents words using numbers. Machine becomes a group of numbers, learning becomes another group of numbers. These numbers help the AI represent the meaning or relationship between words. Machine and learning are closely related. The AI can recognize that together they represent the concept machine learning. But AI still needs to understand which part of the question are important. This is why the attention mechanism comes in. It looks at the words and their relationship and focuses more on the important connections. In our question, machine and learning are strongly connected. Help AI understand what the question is really about. Now, the AI uses patterns and information it learned during its training. It doesn't simply search for and copy the ready-made answer. Instead, it uses what it has learned to determine what kind of response would be appropriate. Finally, when it starts generating answer, predicts what token it returns. One word appears, then another until a complete response is found. The complete address travels back through the network and appears on the screen. And there it is, a question that looks to us has gone through several important steps like tokenization, embedding, attention mechanism, learned patterns, and prediction before becoming a complete answer. So, the next time you ask an AI a question, remember behind every simple answer, there is a fascinating journey from words to numbers to patterns and finally back to words. And this is how AI answers our question. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.